In a hoop installation kit, you will find 1 hoop, 3 washers, and a hex wrench. First, remove the screws and the handle on the cylinder head, and another screw at the bottom right corner. Keep the flatter side of the hoop up. This is how it'll be installed onto the pump. Fasten the screw at the bottom right corner with the hoop. Next, at the upper left corner, place 2 washers underneath the pump handle and fasten them together. At the bottom left, place 1 washer in between the pump handle and the hook, then fasten them. Make sure all screws were tightly fastened, and the pump handle was installed properly with correct number of washers. That's the end of the installation. Thank you.